Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll begin by confirming essentials so nothing blocks setup. Make sure Spotify is installed and you're signed into the account you want to use, then open the Google Home app. Once done, confirm your Google Home device is online on the same Wi-Fi and that you're using the correct Google account in the app. Now tap the plus or settings icon to add services. This first step links identities and network context so later pairing works without extra troubleshooting. You'll now make the actual connection. In Google Home tap settings, then Music, choose Spotify from the list. When prompted, press Link Account and follow the sign and flow, enter credentials and grant permissions so Google can control playback. Make sure to select Spotify as your default music provider because that streamlines voice commands later. If you manage multiple Spotify profiles, pick the active one, otherwise voice may route to a different library. This step authorizes playback control and default routing. Complete the process by testing voice playback. Say, "Hey Google, play Spotify," followed by a song or playlist name. If it doesn't play from Spotify, open Google Home Music settings and reselect Spotify as default, then reauthorize if required. Also try restarting the Google Home device and your phone and confirm both are on the same network. A key troubleshooting tip: if account mismatch occurs, log out of Spotify on all devices and sign back into the correct profile before relinquishing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.